Hello from Slovenia again. It will be a play day today in my studio. I will play with some palette knife, maybe with some balloons and some simple color palette, just gold, white and black. But for the background I have pearl white, that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white and Overtroll Floetrol. All my colors are mixed with Overtroll Floetrol today. For those who watch me longer know that I use my European brand that I mix myself. For the pouring medium I use Bessner acrylic binder normally and acrylic emulsion mix, but I just want to play with Floetrol a little bit. I will tilt this around to have a nice smooth background. So here I have nice thin layer of pearl white, and what I was thinking today to do some dips with this palette knife. I will add a little black here in the center first. And some white around there, and some more gold. Oops. I don't know if I'm in frame. And now I will add some gold on top. It's a big palette knife. And I will not swipe or something with the palette knife, I will just dip with it. So let's see how it will go. Dip down and towards the middle. And I will do just another one. And another one. I will play some more with that because I don't know, just want to. I will pour some of the gold here in the middle and a little bit of white on top. And flow here in the middle. I'm kind of tempted to tear this out, and I love those parts there, so you know what? I will just play with this a little more. It's a play day, I told you that it is. Very monochrome looking thing. This lacing is because of my pearl white base, because it goes kind of ghosty, and I love that ghosty look on the whole painting. So yeah, as I said, it was just a playing with paint. Yeah, I like it. See you on the next one. Bye.